Good evening, everyone. Good evening, all the panel members, all the senior professors, research scholars, and my dear participants. I am the PhD research scholar from KL University, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Today, I am going to talk about the business transformation in digital marketing campaigning using artificial intelligence, which is guided by my guide, Dr. A. Uday Shankar, Associate Professor, Department of Business Management, KL University, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Coming to introduction, artificial intelligence is transforming, that is the changing digital marketing by improving precision and efficiency in campaign execution. Advanced AI technologies such as predictive analytics and personalized content are central to this transformation. AI enhances marketing strategies, leading to significant business growth and improved effectiveness. Businesses gain a competitive advantage by leveraging AI for automation and optimized decision making. AI enables better adaptation to market changes, helping businesses remain agile in the dynamic digital environment. So, coming to the literature review, several authors have developed the concept of this study. So AI enhances business operations by automating and optimizing processes. This is developed by Davenport and Runaki in the year 2018. And the findings are AI technologies like predictive analytics improve decision making and operational efficiency. Similarly, Dwivedi et al. In 2021, they concluded that AI offers significant opportunities and challenges across various sectors, including marketing. AI improves targeted marketing strategies through advanced data analysis and predictive modeling. Frene et al. In the year 2019, conversational agents such as chatbots are crucial, or that is important for customer service and engagement. Findings are AI-powered conversational agents enhance customers' interactions and service efficiency through effectiveness varies with complexity. Similarly, other authors are developed the concept of this study. There are the another studies also by several authors. So research methodology, this research paper examines the transformation of digital marketing campaigning through the application of AI. The methodology employs a mixed method approach, focusing exclusively on secondary data sources. The data collected through the literature review, analysis of industry practices, and examination of case studies. These are the secondary data sources. The study is designed to provide a comprehensive analysis of how AI-driven tools and techniques are reshaping digital marketing strategies across various industries. The data analysis method were predicting analytics and personalized content creation, customer segmentation. The data collection and analysis, the research utilizes a variety of secondary data sources, including academic journals, industry reports, and real-world case studies from multiple sectors. These sources are carefully selected to ensure a broad and deep understanding of this study. The data collected from the literature review, industry reports, and case studies are analyzed using the qualitative methods. The analysis aims to draw connections between theoretical concept and practical applications, identifying the patterns and trends in using AI in digital marketing. The result and discussion, the integration of AI in digital marketing campaigns has significantly transformed the way businesses engage with customers, optimize strategies, and measure success. While routine questions are handled well, more complex issues often require human intervention, highlighting the need for a balanced approach between automation and human interaction. The finding underscored the transformative potential of AI in digital marketing, offering businesses the capability to execute more personalized, efficient, and data-driven campaigns. Here is the conclusion of my study. AI's ability to enhance predictive analytics, personalize content, refine customer segmentation, and automate interactions has revolutionized how businesses approach marketing. The success of AI-driven marketing strategies hinges on the quality of data, the sophistication of AI algorithm, and the careful balance between automation and human interaction. AI technologies evolve. Businesses must remain agile and adaptive, embracing this innovation while addressing the challenges they present. So these are the references of our study.